Hello everybody, welcome to 21st Century IAS Academy, Delhi's upscale meditational mentorship UPSC Confidence Covenant program. This is Goli Varsha. I'm sure you're taking the tests seriously and writing them consistently every single day. On this positive note, we shall see the test explanation for CSAT questions given on 17th of November 2023. Let us look into the first question. 675 into 675 into 675 plus 325 cube by 67.5 square plus 32.5 into 32.5 minus 67.5 into 32.5. Okay. Now, here you have to understand one thing. You should be thorough with some basic formulae, that is a plus b whole square, then a square minus b square, and also this one, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, and a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. All right. So, since this is a simplification chapter, we are acquainting you with, simplification tricks and formulae and everything. Indirectly, you can use this in your calculations. Fine? Okay, now here 67.5 and 675. Okay, if you observe the entire equation, it is in the form of some numbers, cube, and then square, minus multiplication of these two. Now, if you have to convert it into some form of the, some form like this or this, you have to take some a and b. And precisely that should be from these numbers. So, if you take a is equal to 67.5 and b is equal to 32.5, why am I taking this and why didn't I take 675? Because this one can be written as 10a. 10 into 67.5 is 675, right? And this 325 can be written as 10b. Alright, so this equation becomes 10a into 10a into 10a plus 10b into 10b into 10b by a square plus b square minus ab. Alright, so after simplifying, what will you get? You will get 1000 into a cube plus b cube by a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. Now, what is a cube plus b cube? It is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So, this will become 1000 into a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab by a square plus b square minus ab. Alright, this and this will get cancelled. Now, what is a plus b? A plus b is this, no? It is 100 because 5.5 plus 0.5 is 1. 1 will come here, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, it's 100, alright. So, it will become 1000 into 100, which means you will get 1 followed by 5 zeros. And where is it? It is in option D. So, D is the answer. Got it? Now, find the sum of this. See, there are two methods. One is taking 2 common and writing 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, so on, and then simplifying it to get, and then doing this. You will add 1 plus 2 to this plus 3, so on, till you have taken 2 common, no? So, it will be 20 here. Minus, you have to subtract whatever you added for the equation to remain intact. Okay. So, this is what you will get. And sum of first n natural numbers, you know, right? N into n plus 1 by 2. Now, what is n? It's 20 here. So, 20 into 20 plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 3. Okay. 2 ones are 2 tens are. You will get 2 into 10 into 21 minus 3. So, that is 2 into 21 into 10 is 210. 210 minus 3 is 207. That is equal to 414. Okay, so A is the answer. And there is another method which is the formula method. Okay. So if n numbers are there in arithmetic progression, now what is arithmetic progression? The difference between consecutive numbers will remain the same. Then it is known as arithmetic progression. Okay. So sum of n numbers is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is n? Number of terms that are there in the arithmetic progression, and a is the first term, n is again number of terms, d is the common difference. Here the common difference is 2. That is 8 minus 6 is 2. 10 minus 8 is also 2. That is 2. Now how many terms are there? We do not know. To find that there is another formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is an? Nth term. Nth term in the arithmetic progression. Here what is the nth term? It is 40 is equal to a is the first term, 6 plus we don't know what is n. N into what is the common difference? It is 2. Okay, so it will become 34 is equal to 2 into n minus 1. 2 ones are 2 17s are. Okay, so what is n now? N is equal to 18. That means there are 18 terms in this arithmetic progression. Now substitute this n in this formula. What will it become? It will become 18 by 2 into 2 into what is a? 6 plus 18 minus 1 into d. What is d? 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 9s. So what is this? 9 into, this is 2 into 6, right? So it is 9 into 12 plus 17 into 2 is how much? 34. So it is 9 into 46. 9 into 46 is how much? 46 9s. 9 6 are 54. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. So 414 is the answer. So these are the two methods. Alright. Now next one. Sum of this equation. I mean the terms in this equation. At first instance, you will go topsy-turvy if you see this. However, by observing, you have to know that this equation can be written as 15 can be written as what? 3 into 5. 35 can be written as 5 into 7 plus 7 into 9. So what is this? These numbers are the product of two consecutive odd numbers. Okay. These numbers, denominators, are product of two consecutive odd numbers. Alright. So that is the series. Plus so on. This famous number 143. It is product of which two consecutive odd numbers? It is 11 into 13. Okay. So this though you should know. 143 is 11 into 13. So next time whenever you say 143, directly you won't say 143. It is, you will say 11 into 13. So that you will sound more intelligent. Okay. Now, you can write this as half into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7, so on till 1 by 11 minus 1 by 13. Now, why did I write like this? To cancel the terms. Now, how did I get the idea? Just by observing. See, it is 3 into 5, right? This one can be split into half of, see, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 is how much? It is 3 into 5 into over, I mean, the numerator will be 5 minus 3. Okay. So, this is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 5. So, it will remain same, no? It is 1 by 3 into 5. It is the same. So, this one can be written like this. So, it will become half into 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by so on and so forth. Till 1 by 11 it will get cancelled. So, what will remain? The first and the last one will remain. So, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 13. That is 1 by 2 into 13, 3 is 39, 13 minus 3, 13 minus 3. That is 1 by 2 into 10 by 39. Okay, 2 ones are, 2 5s are. So, 5 by 39 is the answer. Alright. Now, next one. Simplify the following expression. A square plus 2ab plus b square. By observing itself, you will get to know this, no? So, a square plus 2ab plus b square. is the expanded form of what? A plus B whole square. Now what is A? 2.19. What is B? 3.81. Okay, so 2 plus 3 is what? 5, and 0.19 plus 0.81 is what? 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 square is equal to 36. So 36 is the answer. Alright. Now, if you do not know this formula, no, what will you do? You will start multiplying and then adding. So that's why I told you in the first question, you will have to be thorough with certain basic formulae. Okay. Now, what is the value of the below equation? Again, if you observe, this is some cube, this is another cube, this is square, square, and multiplication of these numbers. So it is something of the form a cube minus b cube by a square plus b square plus ab. Now what is a here? It is 146, and what is b here? It's 143. Okay. So what is a cube minus b cube? We've already seen, right? A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so this is the formula for a cube minus b cube. Alright, so here if you substitute, what will you get? A cube minus b cube by a square plus b square plus ab can be written as what? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab by a square plus b square plus ab. Alright. So this and this will get cancelled. What will remain? Only a minus b will remain. So it is 146 minus 143. What is the answer? It is C3. Okay. If you do not know the simplification, no, what will you do? You will multiply 146 into 146 into 146. Then do all that math and you will waste a lot of time. That's why have a thorough idea about the basic formulae. Find the value of the equation given below. Okay, so here you are observing that you have division, you have off, you have multiplication and addition. Now you have to recall the BODMAS principle which we discussed in the previous sessions. Okay, what is this BODMAS? It is bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, this is the full form. Now where will we use? If all the operations appear in the same equation, then the order of precedence should be this way. First you have to solve the brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Alright. Now how many offs are there here? It is this 8 of 8, 4 of 4, 4 of 4 here again and 4 of 2 here. Okay. Now what is 8 of 8? That means 8 into 8. It is 64. 4 of 4 is 16. Again 16. 4 of 2 is 8. Now the equation would look something like this. 7 plus 8 into 8. Now this 64 would come here. 64 plus 8 by 8 into 16. Okay, this 16, this 64 are these values. This one and this one. Okay, now 4 by 16. This 16 fellow is coming here. Plus 4 into 4 by 4 minus 4 divided by 8. This 8 fellow is coming here. Okay, now solve this one. Yeah, 8 ones are, 8 twos are 16, 8 ones are, 8 eights are 64, 8 and 8 are gone, 4 ones are, 4 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 fours are, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So this equation would look like this. 7 plus 1 plus 8 to 16 by 1 by 4 plus 4 minus half. Okay, so the numerator would become 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 by 1 by 4 minus half. Okay, so minus half plus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4. So 4 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 24 by 4 fours are 16 minus 1 is 15. 15 by 4. 15 by 4. 4 will come to the numerator. So it will become into 4. And 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. and 5 ones are 5, 1.6. So 1.6 into 4 is how much? 6.4. So C, 6.4 is the answer. Alright. So please be thorough with this concept. What is the value of this equation? Here also board mass rule shall apply. Alright. We have to write this equation as 28 into 25 by 7 into 15 plus 63 into 56 by 72 into 5 plus 24 into 7 plus 8. Alright. So 7 ones are 7 fours are 8 sevens are 8 nines are 9 ones are 9 sevens. Okay. Now 4 into 25 is 100. 100 into 15 plus 49 into 5 plus 24 into 7. 7 fours are 28. 7 twos 14, 15, 16. 168 plus 8. Alright. So this is 1500 plus 5 nines are 45. 5 20. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So 245 plus 176. So it is 1500 plus 245, 176. Now just observe the units and tens digit. It is 11, 7 plus 4, 11 and 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay. So units and tens digit is 21. So don't add this one, the other places, just units and tens digit would suffice for this particular question. So 21 in units and tens digit, it's here. So D is the answer. Alright. Now, next question. What is the value of this thing? So it is not in any form of a cube plus b cube. So here we have to use board mass directly. Alright. So we have to write this equation 15 divided by 5 into 3 minus, because division has precedence over multiplication in board mass, right? So that's the reason why I'm writing 15 by 5 into 3. It is not 15 by 5 into 3. No. The division is in between 15 and 5 only. It is not in between 15 and 5 into 3. Understand that. If there is bracket here, then it would be 15 by 5 into 3. If the bracket was there for 5 and 3, then this would look like this, 15 by 5 into 3. But here there is no bracket. Alright, so division will get precedence over multiplication. Clear? No confusion. So minus 12 into 12 by 6 plus 15 by 5 into 6. 18 by 3 into 5 minus 12 by 6 into 5 plus 18 by 9 into 5. Okay, the division is only in between 18 and 3. It is not in between 18 and 3 into 5. That you have to understand very clearly. That is the purpose of giving such questions, to clear your basic concepts. Alright? Yeah. 5 ones, 5 threes, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 threes are, 9 ones are, 9 twos, 6 and 2, 3 and 6. If you're doing this cutting thing, no, we'll feel so happy because our equations are getting simpler. Alright, so 3 into 3 is 9 minus 24 plus 18 by 6 5s is 30 minus 10 plus 10. 5 into 2 is 10, no? So 10, 10 gone. It is 18 plus 9 is 27, no? 27 minus 24 is 3. 3 by 30, 3 ones are, 3 tens are. So 1 by 10 is the answer. Here, whenever you see such things, don't take out 9 from 24, then add 18. No. See, if it's possible, in any table, are you able to like club two numbers and make something out of it? If yes, go for it. See, 18 plus 9, 27. 3 table or 9 table, right? Then you subtract 24. It will be easy for you, calculation. That's the whole point. Alright. Now, next one. Find the value of this. Yeah. Now, brackets are given. So, you have to be a little cautious. So, 117 divided by 45 of, and off is also given, bracket. So, this will gain precedence over this one. Alright, so 45 into 1 by 5 plus 12 by 5 into 20 by 3. So this will gain precedence over this function. Alright, so 5 ones are 5 nines are. Alright, so 117 by 9 plus 3 ones are 3 fours are 5 ones are 5 fours are plus 4 fours are 16. Alright, now this one 9 ones are 9, 2, 3, so 13. 13 nines, 117. So 13 plus 16 is 29. D is the answer. Find the value of this equation. Alright, we know that 0.1 is the decimal form, but in fraction it is 1 by 10. Okay, so this equation, we'll write it in fractions. 1 by 10 square plus 1 by 100 square plus 1 by 5 by 10 square plus 1 by 5 by 100 square. Alright, so 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 ones are 5 20s are. So this one would become 10 square plus 100 square plus 2 square plus 20 square. Now how did I write this? 1 divided by 1 by 10 square now. So if you have to write it in multiplication, it will become 1 into 10 square. Alright, so that is the thing. It is 100 plus 10,000 plus 4 plus 20 square is 400. Alright, so 400 plus 100 is 500. 500 plus 4 is 504. 10,000 plus 504 is 10,504. That is the answer. This is it for today. Practice these methods consistently, revise them, and you will be very confident about CSAT paper. Always remember, 10 questions a day keeps your CSAT fear at bay. All the best.